The name of this bird is red-vented bulbul. Scientific name Pycnonotus kafer. Black hair, the head with the color of coffee powder, and the red seen in the rectal region. These birds are easy to spot because of their coloration. Can identify. Lives in Sri Lanka, India and Myanmar. Eat fruits, insects, and grains. It also eats the rice that is thrown away in the houses as shown here. As they lay eggs. February, May and August identified that between September. Often near houses to build the nest. A bush is often the ceiling of the house. Lamps are used. One chick at a time in a nest made like this. Only 2 to 3 eggs are laid. These are purple, red, and blue scattered with brown spots. The red-vented bulbul was among the first animals, other than humans, that was found to be incapable of synthesizing vitamin C. Subscribe if it is important to you.